I'm going to be showing you how to create one of Dyson's trending hairstyles for 2026. The style that I'm going to be creating on you, Ksenia, today is called the Whisper Bob. I'm going to be creating it using the Airwrap Co 2X. I think it's really going to suit you. It's going to look lovely.
Perfect, thank you.
I'm going to start with a little bit of leave-in conditioner. I'm just going to spritz through the top. It will give you a nice base so that we don't have any tangles. The next step of prep is a bit of pre-style cream. I'm just going to use a couple of pumps, run it through my hands, spreading it through the mid-length. So I don't put it on the top, you just put it through from here down. So now that's in, I'm going to go in with our Airwrap Co 2X. So I'm going to use the Anti-snag loop brush here. I'm going to use it on medium flow and medium heat. And I'm just going to dry it in loads of directions because this will give us nice volume. And so I only want it to 80% dry. So it will look dry, but it will still have like a cold feeling to it. That's about 80% dry. If you touch it, it looks dry, but it's still very cold. It's still got that damp feeling. So that's about perfect. Next step, switch brushes. And we're going to use the round version. And I'm going to basically take like this top parting area and lift it up and dry it back to give you as much volume as I can.
And what's the temperature you're using for that?
I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do the medium heat and the medium flow, just because I don't want it to be too hot on the scalp. I'm going to start with the back piece first. And the trick for the amount of hair you pick up is you want the same size section as the brush. And now I'm just giving it a cold blast to set that volume. And down. Nice and big. A lot of height there. So we're going to leave that to stay with that bit of heat. And I'm going to start by smoothing and just flicking these bits out a little bit, and then we'll set it all into shape as well. So for the top, we lifted all of this up and back. These two side pieces, we just did under a little bit. And then everything at the back, we just kicked it out slightly. So how does that feel so far?
It feels so nice. I really like the volume.
I've just picked up a bit of the Post style serum now. So this goes in when the hair is dry and finished. It won't be crunchy, it won't be sticky, but it will give us a bit of definition and it will just pull the hair into the style that we want. So I've just got 2 pumps and I'm just gonna scrunch it through the bottom. But yeah, right in my fingertips, just through the ends, where I'm gonna start pulling it back. And just picking out a few pieces through the front. How's that feel?
Feel good.
Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Great, I'm gonna do a tiny bit of oil, I think. Make it super shiny. Who doesn't want super shiny hair? And you're done. Okay. There you go.
Yeah, I like the shape, how they look like, so healthy.
It does, it looks really healthy,
Yeah.
really glossy. So then you can touch it and it's soft, it's not stuck. It just kind of opens up your face and gives you a nice, different type of style.
Thank you so much.
Good. And now you know how to do it all by yourself.
It's actually so easy, and I like that I can play with my hair still, and they're so soft and smooth.
Yeah,
Thank you.
no, it suits you really well.